Hello, welcome to Ellie V Toys. I have some of the, actually I thought I had all of the dots bracelets for the beginning of 2021, but I'm missing one of the sets and I just don't know how I managed that. Anyway, I have 4 of the 5 bracelet sets. Let's have a look. So this one's ice cream themed and the colors are just pastel and delicious. This one is monster. Okay, I'm very excited by the printed pieces in these. This is Starlight, and this one here is mermaid vibes. Look at that. And check out the color schemes on these. These are being obviously marketed towards, you know, boys and girls. You can wear any of these. Be you. Be the best you can be. Choose whichever one of these you vibe with and wear them. So, I got one, got a bit excited there. I also got one of these packs of just the Series 3 extra dots. And these look, I don't know that these are going to be my most favorite series, but I'm not going to make any judgment calls until I've actually opened it. So let's open this up first. And we get 10 charms in here, 10 surprise 10 printed pieces, which are exclusive to these dots packs, these extra dots packs. But we've also got, this is amazing. There are these new 3D pieces. So then we've got these diamond ones here, which are hollow in the back, and you've got the light coming through them. So diamond 3D tiles. Can you even call them tiles if they've got lumpy bits on the front? I don't know. And we got quarter pie piece in purple. We got pink see-through studs, blue quarter pie pieces. These are my least interesting parts. I'm going really fast through them in the aqua part. But this, look, there's another 3D piece with the star on it. It's hollow in the back, so the light goes through it. I think I already said that before, but the light goes through it, but then you stick it on things and the light doesn't go through it. So before we even look at the printed pieces, let's see how many of these 3D pieces we get in each of the different designs. So we've got the diamond ones over here, and I'm going to put the star ones over here so that they don't fight. How many we've got? Have I got them all yet? Let's see. Yeah, okay, I think that's good. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. We got 9 in each of them, which is a random, not equal number, but that's okay. That's okay. We got 9 in each of them. Let's find our little tiles, our surprise charms, our printed, exclusive, exciting pieces, and see how many duplicates we got. And also just see what sort of designs we have on these, because I really haven't taken an incredibly close look. So this one here has a question mark on it. Oh my gosh, took me a while to remember what that was called. There's a key on this one, and these are very pastel-y, aren't they? They're purple and pink pastels. What are those ball things? A fortune teller's ball. And this is another fortune teller's ball. So I have a duplicate now of these ones, and this is like a phase of the moon. What are those numbers on them? XV111. So is that like 18? What does that mean? What's the significance of the Roman numerals? I don't know. This is a deer, little pink deer. Very pastel. We're very pastel this series. This guy's cute. I don't even know what he is, but he's asleep. He's adorable. I'm going to go with that being a sleepy raccoon. I'm just making this up because I don't really know. There's a closed lock, which we can put over here. We'll put this over here near the key. And what else we got? How many we got? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And a raccoon. This one's a raccoon. That's a pink raccoon. That's definitely a raccoon. I don't know what the blue one is. Maybe it's a fox, a blue fox. And a heart with BFF on it. Okay, and one more. Oh gosh, and this is the sun, and this actually has, I have to really look up close. So we got the Roman numerals. I don't think you can even see these. It's XIX, so that's 19. What does that mean? What do the Roman numerals mean? We don't get it. I mean, I know they mean numbers, but I don't know what the numbers' significance are. Now, we missed a few on that I've seen on the front here. We've got a lock, but we've got the closed lock, and there's still an open lock, and I like the little cloud on the side and the keep out sign. I think I really want that keep out sign. So I might have to buy another set of these and see if I can get some more of these printed tiles because they are very cute, but I think I like the cloud a lot. I want the cloud. I need the cloud. Let's see if we put these together, what sort of cool patterns we can make with our 3D pieces. We can turn them out like this. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with these. All right. This is pretty exciting. There are a lot of new ideas that we can have from that pack alone. But let's have a look at some of the new bracelets. Oh, words, having difficulty with this one. Now this one is the monster pack. This one's got monsters in it. This is gonna be super scary. It's not gonna be scary at all. This time we've got these skinny bands, which have just got a single row of studs along them. So you can split them or you can stack them. Split them or stack them. And if you want to split them, you can split them with a friend, but it's got to be a friend you like really a lot. So I wouldn't be sharing my printed tiles with anybody. So we've got a pink monster, and we've got another pink monster, and we got like the fur with mint and mint monster. So we can kind of combo them like this. So we could use the pink furry bit underneath the pink monster, and we can use the aqua or the mint. I don't even know what color that is. The mint furry bit underneath the mint monster. I'm getting distracted by all their little faces, all their identical faces. So we've got 4 pink monsters, and that must mean we must have 4 of the little mint monsters too. Mint monsters! We don't have quite enough little furry bottoms. Furry bottoms. Oh gosh, I'm just cracking myself up today. For all of them, oh, that's sad that pink one doesn't have a little furry bottom. I do like the colors of the studs and the quarter tile pieces that go with this though. They're really, really vibrant. So let's put together our blue bracelet, and let's see, it's a bit hard to make. There is a limit to what sort of pattern you can do when you're just doing this in a straight line. So let's see how creative I can be with what we've got. So I really love the vibrancy of these colors to go with the pastels of the monsters. This is cool. So let's put our little mint monster over on this side, and another red dot here, and now we'll put a yellow squiggly thing there, and then if I put that on there, does that kind of work? It hurts me a little bit when I don't have them symmetrical, but I just have to manage that. What if I put the pink one in the middle? Pink one in the middle. Good. Okay, let's try our mint band and see what we can do. We can kind of emulate. No, let's make it entirely different. So we'll put our pink monsters in differing directions on our mint band, and we'll put some little half circles on here with the blue and some fur. Let's stack the fur. Stack the fur. Some what was that voice? And now we don't have another pink monster to do what I wanted to do, so we're just going to put another half circle of yellow in there. That's pretty. And then we stack them, because I'm certainly not sharing them. And they fit my wrist fine. So these fit adult wrists. Well, I don't know. I'm an adult. I don't know whether I'm even an average adult, but they fit me. So that's pretty cool. So anybody can wear these. Yay. They're really, really cute. Look at that. Ah, that is very adorable. Right. Let's move you over and let's have a look at the next one. Let's have a look at the mermaid vibes. Let's get mermaid vibes. And we've got a purple and a mint band for these. And we've got some brand new printed pieces in this, which I'm very excited about. And some silver quarter pie pieces, which we can never have enough of. So, oh, and some sparkly blue dots. But these, look at these mermaid scale quarter pies. And we've got some scallop shells, clam shells, let's just go with clam shells, on those extended half round pieces. Okay, these are awesome, and now I have to figure out how we're gonna make a cool pattern out of these. Right, so let's start with these mermaid scaly bits because they are epic. They're so pretty, they're shimmery and magical. So we'll do them on either side, and I kind of did not want them to actually be exactly the same. I wanted them to be a mirror image, but I am incredibly directionally challenged. Is that better? That's right now, so sometimes I don't get this wrong. Sorry, sometimes I don't get this right. A lot of times I get it wrong the first time. And these ones, I want them to mirror image too. And they're shiny as well. Shiny, my love, is all very shiny. There are clamshells in the middle and some of these turquoise pieces. I think I'm doing okay with the pattern now. I think I'm actually managing to mirror image it correctly. Let's check it. That's really cute. Oh my gosh, they look like lots of little mermaid tails. That's really, really pretty. Now, what am I going to do with this one? I just want to make it a bit different. So we'll use these purple dots, the little lavender dots, and some of the clam shells, because I'm not going to say scallops or scallops again because it's confusing for everybody. So we're going to go with clams and some more silver shiny. No, we want these mirror image. Turn that around. Do I turn it this way? Is that? Nope. Nope, I've just done exactly what I did before. And now, yes, now we've got it. It only took me about 3 goes. That's perseverance. And some purple dots, and then in the middle, what am I going to do in the middle? In the middle, it's so pretty though. The colors are so pretty. Some more, I don't want to put purple next to purple. So let's move the purple around and we'll put the blue dots next to the purple and then put the purple over there. And there we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're lovely. They're so lovely. All right, let's cut to the ice creams. Let's cut the ice creams out. So we have a pink, very pastels. This is delicious pastel-y ice cream, and pink and yellow, and I got excited by the pastels and forgot to describe what I was actually seeing. And now we get these half-round printed pieces in pink and yellow with sprinkles on them, little pink and yellow faces, little winky faces. Well, only one's winky faces. The yellow one's got a winky face, the pink one's got sleepy faces, and we've got the pink and the yellow toppers, which are the actual scoops of ice cream. Okay, so in actual English, these go like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's stack our ice cream. This is one of those situations where I would actually really liked a double row of dots here to be able to make a whole row of stacked ice creams. But that's okay, we'll just line them along. We'll lay them along the band. Oh, that's so adorable. Oh, and I love the pink sparkly dots with the yellow translucent dots. They look really pretty together. These are lovely colours. These are working for me. So we've got light yellow half round, we got light pink half round, and now we have to do the yellow, and I have to try and, I'm going to do the same thing but with different, kind of. Same thing but with different. Wow, doing excellently today, but you know what I mean. So we're doing the same kind of style as the first band, but now we're going to go super different in the middle, and we're going to alternate our scoops of ice cream. So we've just got lots and lots of scoops of ice cream in the middle, and that makes me incredibly happy. Oh my gosh, that is really pretty. That's so pretty. Right, okay, but we've got to, we have to move on. I need to not get too excited, which is a lie. I'm just going to continue getting excited. We have a turquoise and we have a purple band, and in here, these are our Starlight ones. There we've got some more of these 3D pieces. So they come in the extra dots, and they also come in just this bag, but we've got the horoscopy kind of star joined things as our printed pieces, only 5 of them, so there's not really a lot of exclusive prints in this particular bag, but let's see what we can do with our Starlight choices. So we're gonna have a bit of a play with these 3D tiles. Oh, we'll put these ones in the opposite to the other ones, and then we'll put these on here. We're gonna use all these 3D tiles and these printed horoscopy things, horoscopy star things. That's pretty. That's so very pretty. And some half round pink, and then some half round blue, and then we got these 2 little random dots. That would be a good place just to have just some dots. But let's put, we haven't used any mint, so we'll just use the mint here. Ta-da! That is so not aesthetically pleasing because it's not symmetrically, but it's still pretty. I'm totally owning it. So for this one, now we're going to try, I want to alternate these, but I just don't have enough pieces to do what I want to do. So we're going to have to do something a bit different. And once again, I don't think that this is going to be a happy symmetrical challenge. So let's take these off and let's make it a double band. So fill up these circles, so make it a full circle, and then a half round circle there, and then a full pink circle here. So we're making the 2 bands kind of tying together, but we're just mixing it up now and confusing everybody. We've got some more stars in the middle, and then I do not have enough here to actually do what I'd planned to do. So let's just put some random stuff on. What about the other end? Let's actually make that a proper half circle, because that was too random for me. Let's try the other end. I'm going to put, I don't think there's a lot of, I'm not overly creative with this particular wristband set, but I think that looks all right. Oh, they look nice when they're together. No, not that way. They're definitely this way. Okay, that's very pretty. All right, don't they look so pretty when they are all stacked together? They're so colorful. Oh, and the 5th wristband, which I don't actually have, is called Adventure. So I'm gonna have to find that and see how it goes with our compilation of wristbands here. Okay, it's time to subscribe because we've got nothing else to look at the moment. Let me comment, let me know if you have a favorite wristband or a favorite print out of the ones that we looked at today. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. So I will see you then. Okay, bye.